Hi, I'm Zach Spence with PTx, and we're doing a product highlight on our field information software solution called FarmENGAGE. So what FarmENGAGE allows the farmer to do is to bring in data from different areas of their farm, whether it be from a Case ag leader, a Fint, or a John Deere vehicle. It allows you to bring all that work that's happening in the field up to the cloud so it can be visualized, traced, and tracked. So what we try to really do for the farmer is to create a visualization of what is happening, where it's happening, when it's happening. A lot of times during winter, things get really crowded, so a lot of data is created out in the field. Let me go back to a field example. And then we'll come into what a farmer usually has. So we had a field that is split up into crop zones. So we want to say management-wise, this is corn this year, next year this is going to be corn, but next year that'll be soybeans. So we create these little management zones from the cloud. So once we know the boundary, then we can help plan ahead of time to put the right product in the right place at the right time. The guidance lines, very typical that those get added to during the year by different vehicles, and we want to make sure that we're also all using the proper lines under the proper names. So we're able to come in here and visualize that outside of the vehicle in the comfort of the office. So we can see what's going on, we can plan when it should be going on, and then we can look at how it turned out at the end of harvest so that we can do better next year. A great thing about FarmENGAGE as well is that it's a dealer tool as well. You can have that partnership with your trusted dealer partner, and he can come in and have access to look around as to how you're managing, when you're managing, how far you are through planting, what you're looking at next, how many inputs do we need to have on order. We can do all that through our analytical tools and planning software ahead of time. One of the really differentiating parts of FarmENGAGE is that we really try to connect up with other industry partners. So these are automatic links that you can have to these other pieces of software so that you don't have to jump from software to software to software. This can be your hub that takes the information where it needs to go and get it there. Along with that, we can also do just direct sends. If you have a tractor on the farm that needs to know it's spraying prescription maps, you don't need to talk to the planter. We can send it straight to that sprayer instead of having information go to where it doesn't need to go. So we can filter it and we can direct send it. So it's about the whole organization working on the same information that's pertinent to it. Operator permissions, maybe you just want to set up a work order that's in the future and they need to do certain tasks, but they don't need to worry about tasks that their tractor isn't capable of doing or their vehicle isn't capable of doing. So they can get in, do the right thing at the right time, in the right place, and report it back to this sort of solution. So this is a high-level overview of FarmENGAGE and what is possible for our planning, our prepping, and our results so that we can do better year after year. For more information, check us out at PTx.com under FarmENGAGE. Thanks for tuning in.